Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add two fractional numbers. So to add two fractional numbers, we have a fractional number 3 by 5, another number 9 by 10. To add these two numbers, the first thing we need to do is, we will give a single line representing divided by. Then we will do LCM of these two denominators. So the denominators are 5 and 10. We do LCM of these two. So 5 and 10 both can be divided by 5. So we give here 5. Now 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. There is no number which can divide 1 and 2 again. So our LCM ends here. LCM will be 5 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2, that is 5 into 1 into 2 is 10. So we will write 10 in the denominator. Now for the first term, we will see 5 multiplied by how much equal to 10. So the first step we need to do, 5 multiplied by how much is 10. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. If you don't know the answer, then you can just divide 10 by 5. So we will get 2. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Now this number will be multiplied with the numerator. We have to multiply this with the numerator, so the term will come 6. So here we will write 6. Now there is a plus sign in between, so we write plus. In the next case, we will do the same thing. The denominator is 10 and this denominator is also 10. So 10 multiplied by how much is equal to 10? Of course we know 10 multiplied by 1 is equal to 10. So 10 multiplied by 1 is equal to 10, and that 1 will be multiplied with the numerator. 1 will be multiplied with the numerator, that is 9. So 1 multiplied by 9 equal to 9. So in the next step we will simply add the numerators. It is 6 plus 9 in the numerator. So 6 plus 9 is 15 and the denominator will be 10. Now the answer is 15 divided by 10. We can simplify it. This 2 can be cancelled. So this 2 can be cancelled by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. So we can write 3 by 2 as a simplified form. This is the answer. Now let us see another example. Here is another example addition, that is 7 over 12 plus 5 over 18. So what was the first step? What we need to do first is we will do LCM of the denominators. So the denominators are 12 and 18. What is the number that can divide both 12 and 18? What is the lowest number that can divide both 12 and 18? It is 2. So 2 6s are 12 and 2 9s are 18. Now we get 6 and 9. Again there is some number which can divide both 6 and 9. So we will do another step of LCM, that is 6 and 9 can be divided by 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Now there is no number which can divide both 2 and 3. So this is the end of this process. Now we will just multiply all of them. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6 and 2 3s are 6. So 6 6s are 36. 36 is our LCM. Now we will draw a single line and we will write 36 as the denominator. What was the next step? We will take the first term and the denominator is 12. So we will think 12 multiplied by how much is 36, or simply we can get that by dividing 36 by 12. So if we cancel 36 by 12, we get 3, or if we divide 36 by 12, we get 3. So 12 multiplied by 3 is 36. Now that 3, this is not the answer, that 3 will be multiplied with the numerator, that is 7. So 3 into 7 is 21. So for the first term we will write 21 plus again 18 multiplied by how much is 36. 36 divided by 18 we get, if we divide and see, we get 2. So this 2 will be multiplied with its numerator, that is 5. So 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. After the plus sign we will write here 10. In the next step we will simply add the numerators, that is 21 plus 10 is 31 by 36. I think there is no common number which can divide 31 as well as 36. So this will be our simplified answer, 31 by 36. The sum of these two expressions is 31 over 36. Let's come to the third example. We have two numbers, 3 by 7 plus 7 by 14. So we will do the addition in the same method. We will do the LCM first, the LCM of the denominators, and then we will proceed further. But now let me tell you a short trick here. We have two denominators. One is 7, another is 14. Now which is the greater number? Greater number is 14. We will check if this greater number is divisible by the lesser number. Is 14 divisible by 7? Is 14 there in the table of multiplication table of 7? Yes. We know that 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. So no need to do LCM here. We can directly write the LCM is 14. If we have two numbers and the greater number is divisible by the lesser number, then the greater number will always be the LCM of both the numbers. So we are not doing the LCM here. Now we will do the next step. 7 multiplied by how much is 14? I am doing mentally now. 7 multiplied by how much is 14? 7 into 2 is 14. This 2 will be multiplied to the numerator. So 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 6 plus 14 multiplied by how much is 14? 14 multiplied by 1 is 14. This 1 will be multiplied to the numerator, that is 7. So 1 into 7 is 7. Now what will be our answer? 6 plus 7 gives us 30. Divided by 14 was already the denominator. So 13 by 14 is the answer of this. Okay, let us take another example. 5 by 12 plus 11 by 24. So we have two numbers, 12 and 24. Is 24 divisible by 12? Because 24 is the greater number. So is 24 divisible by 12? Yes, 12 2s are 24. So we can directly write 24 is the LCM of the denominators. For the first term, 12 multiplied by how much is 24? 12 into 2 gives us 24. You can multiply and see if you do not know the table of 12. So 12 multiplied by 2 is 24, and that 2 will be multiplied with the numerator of this 12. So that is 5. 2 multiplied by 5 gives us 10 plus 24 into how much is 24? 24 into 1 is 24, and this 1 will be multiplied to the numerator, that is 11. So 1 into 11 is 11. 10 plus 11 gives us 21. 21 by 24 is our answer. Okay, this is not our answer because 21 and 24 can be cancelled. 21 and 24 has a common number which can divide both these numbers. What is that? 3. 21 is there in the table of 3. 24 is also there in the multiplication table of 3. So we can cancel these two numbers by 3. Now 3 into how much is 21? 3 into 7 gives us 21. 3 into how much is 24? 3 into 8 gives us 24. The simplified answer of this expression will be 7 by 8. Now what if we have more than two numbers? If we have three numbers, three fractional numbers, and we need to add them. The process is same. At first we give a single line, and then in the denominator we need to write the LCM of all these denominators. Now can we use the shortcut here? We have three numbers 5, 10 and 15 in the denominator, the greatest of which is 15. Let us see if 15 is divisible by all of these. 15 is divisible by 15 itself. 15 is divisible by 5. In the multiplication table of 5 we have 15. 5 into 3 is 15. But is 15 divisible by 10? No. There is in the multiplication table of 10 we don't get 15. So we cannot write direct 15 here as the denominator. We have to do the LCM, that is 5, 10 and 15. What will be the LCM? Now 5, 10 and 15, all of them are there in the multiplication table of 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. 1, 2, 3, there is no common number which can divide 1, 2, 3. So now this process ends here and we multiply all of them. 5 into 1 into 2 into 3. That is equal to 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 2 is 10 and 10 into 3 is 30. Now 30 is the LCM of these three numbers. So we write 30. Now let us see. 5 into how much is 30? 5 into 6 is 30. This denominator, we are talking about this denominator. This into how much is 30? 5 into 6 is 30 and 6 will be multiplied by its numerator. So 6 3s are 18. in the next expression, 10 into how much is 30? 10 into 3 is 30 and 3 multiplied by 11 gives us 33. 15 into how much is 30? If you see the multiplication table of 15, 15 into 2 is 30. That 2 will be multiplied with its numerator. So 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. Now we have to add all of these. 18 plus 33 will give us 3 plus 8 1 and 3 plus 1 4. We have carry 1. So it will give us 51 plus 14 by 30. 51 plus 14 is 65 by 30. So this is the answer, but this is not the final answer, because by seeing this expression we can easily say 65 and 30, there is some common number which can divide both of them. What is that? That is 5. So 5 multiplied by 13 is 65 and 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. So the final answer will be 13 by 6. So this is the process by which we can add 3 fractional numbers or 4 fractional numbers or any number. Now what if you are told to subtract 2 fractional numbers? The process will be same as addition, just instead of adding them you will subtract them. So what was the process? In the first step we will do the LCM of these denominators. Now we have only 2 numbers, the greater number is 6 and the lesser number is 3. 6 is 3 can divide 6. So the LCM will be 6. 3 into 2 is 6. So that 2 will be multiplied with 7. It will give us 14. Minus, since we are subtracting, we will give minus. 6 into how much is 6? 1. 6 ones are 6 and that 1 will be multiplied to 5. So 1 5s are 5. Now what is 14 minus 5? It is 9. And divided by the denominator is 6. 9 by 6 can be easily cancelled by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. Our final answer will be 3 by 2. So if this video has helped you to understand how to add or subtract fractional numbers, please do like the video, share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.